Hey guys, this is Daniel with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with a repair video. Today, I'll be showing you how to replace the main Bluetooth board on a Bose SoundSport wireless. All parts and tools that will be used in this video are available on our website linked below. So let's get started. First, we want to grab the right side housing. Here we have the right side cover. The glue is pretty strong all the way around the cover, so what we want to use is some kind of heating tool. We have a heat gun here. We want to slowly go around the point or the edge where the cover connects to the housing of the Bose SoundSport right side, and slowly heat it up around so we can make the glue a little bit softer and easier to pull the cover off. Once it is pretty heated up, you can grab a flat pry tool. We'll use a flathead here. You want to go to the USB port side and above, closer to the end of the cover side. We just want to slowly pull up. Careful not to go too deep. You can damage some electronics. We got most of it off, so now we can just use our hands. We can pull the rest apart. There we go. We still have the USB cover, and that can come out pretty easily. Now, we want to change this board out. There's two little stubs here. We can either clip them off, cut them off with some clippers, or we can use a heat gun, heat them up, and then we can just pull the board off. So we want to be really quick here, just pointing at those two stubs. Just giving them enough heat for them to soften up. Just pull it off on this end. Boom. That easy. All we have to do here now is just open this ribbon clip. We don't have anything else to do. Just pop it open on the brown clip. There we go. And we just pull the ribbon directly out. Now we have our new board here. We just pull that clip open as well. You can do it with your fingers. It's pretty loose. Just slide it in the ribbon, close it over, and now we have these stubs. We can fix them up a little. We have these stubs here. They're still pretty wide. They won't fit in perfectly, so we got to use some clippers to clip those stubs and make the board fit back in. So with these clippers, you can kind of snip off the wider parts of the stubs just so it becomes thin again. That way we can fit the main Bluetooth board back on into the housing. Just kind of going around all the directions here. Boom. There we go. You can see the stubs are going back through, fitting in. Clean off some of the glue that's still left over. Now we have some 2P10. We can use that to quickly glue the board back into those stubs. That way the board stays in place, and then whenever we have to press the button, the whole board won't move around inside of the unit's housing. So using a very small amount, I'm going to go directly over the stub. Let's get a little bit of 2P10 going. Put it over the stub and the second stub. A very small amount will do. Now we'll just have to wait a few minutes, pressing it down on both ends of the board. That way we get a nice even fit. And once you've let it glued for a little bit, for a few minutes, you can now put them back, put the side cover back on. You want to clear out all this glue that is left over. Now, with our B7000 here, we want to make a nice bead going all the way around. There's a little lip there. Only part where we don't have to put it is on the USB port side, because that's where the cover is. We need that to come open. So just up to there. We don't need any glue here, because that's where the cover for the USB port goes. Now we have our USB port cover here. You just pop that in right next to it. Just like that. Close the USB port. Then we have our main cover. You just put that back on. There's going to be a little bit of excess glue around, but that's totally fine. We want to make it a nice secured seal. The little rubber end is coming off, but that's fine. So now we just have a rubber band to hold it together. Yeah, it's pretty loose still, so make sure you hold it on tight. Take a rubber band, put it around a few times. And bam, just get a nice 4 points all the way around the cover so we can hold back on. And now we have our new board in there. If you guys have any questions regarding this repair, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.